Welcome to today's video, you guys. This one is going to be putting on a carburetor. I've already taken it off. If you have any curiosity of how to take it off and such, please leave a comment below and I can get that video posted pretty fast. So right here I'm just going to be installing this one because the old one I could not clean out. It was too gunked up to where I was taking it apart and parts were just breaking inside. And so I just went ahead, bought a whole new carb, and we're going to install that. I'm going to also have to run a fuel line for this system and get all the choke and throttle connected. On this specific one, we had to take the fuel bowl off because the tire was in the way to be able to slide the carburetor on, and then we put the fuel bowl back on. It's just the one bolt that holds it on, which makes it nice and simple. Don't forget, put on your gasket between the intake and the carburetor, you guys. Also, you'll have a gasket after that. So right here, I am just connecting the choke and throttle, making sure it works. Looks connected. Going to loosen this gas tank because we have to take it off to be able to install the new fuel line. Majority of these nuts and bolts on these horizontal engines should be 10 millimeter for basically taking majority of it apart. Now this is a tricky part, is feeding this fuel line through, getting it at the right angle to come out by the carburetor. It took me probably about 2 or 3 times. Get the fuel line hooked up here. To the carburetor, and then once we get that going, we can put the air box on. This is the other gasket we have to add on between the carburetor and the air filter. Also, and if you haven't already, go subscribe to the channel. Hit that button, hit the like button. Because we make alright content around here. So, thank you guys for watching.